Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today we're showing you the LinQ Pivoting Rack from Can-Am for their X3 models. This is a really cool accessory if you do have an X3. And what this allows you to do is either mount up a spare tire, which we have right now, or just use it to get other cargo capacity on your X3. And what's cool about this rack, and I'll show you how it works in just a moment, is that it folds up or pivots up completely out of the way. Now the rack, it's made from powder coated steel. It's strong, it's nice and rigid. But one of my favorite features about this is the mounting setup. It's very easy to get this mounted up. It just mounts right to the roll cage. But what you're gonna love about this rack is that it utilizes their LinQ Quick Disconnect system. And Can-Am does a phenomenal job at building their UTVs and allowing you to just easily attach a lot of different accessories that they build. And with this one specifically, you have these mounts right here that go right to the roll cage. So when the time comes that I wanna pivot this rack up completely out of the way. So right now we have this 8-gallon cooler box on here. So let's say I wanna get access to this. With just a simple quarter turn, I pop those open, one on each side, and then I can easily push that up and completely out of the way because it has these gas shocks right here that make it easy to do that. There is this lockout also so that when I do have this up, it's not gonna fall back down, but it's very easy. You saw how easily I just lifted that with that spare tire on there. And now I have full access to this cargo box or any other accessories that you might have in the bed of your X3. So it's just a really cool rack. Again, it gives you a lot of different options, whether it's going to be your spare tire or any accessories that you do wanna strap on there. To lower it, I'm just gonna let that undo, comes right back down, quarter turn, and it locks back into place. Now, if you have a Maverick Trail or a Maverick Sport, they also do make this pivoting rack for those models as well. We'll have a link for that in the description. Now, what's cool is that not only can you do the spare tire, and they do include this Y strap, this ratcheting strap, that will come included with this if you do decide to run that spare tire, but Can-Am also makes other accessories. I know they make a cargo box, a gun rack, and other things that utilize that LinQ Quick Disconnect system that you can use on top of that as well. So they just give you a lot of different options. So it's a really cool setup. Again, if you have an X3 and you're looking to get a spare tire on there or just maybe some other cargo, this is a really cool setup. So if you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answers. So make sure, leave those down below. To grab one for your machine, it's simple. Just click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. When you're on the home page, just enter the year, make, and model of your X3. That will ensure that it will get the proper fitment. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, you can subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and you'll be good to go. I'm Chase. I'm gonna see you on the trails.